Replacing windows in your Des Allemands home is one of the best ways to improve comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. However, it's also an investment that requires careful planning. Too often, homeowners make mistakes that can cost extra time, money, and frustration. By knowing what to avoid, you'll ensure your window replacement project runs smoothly and delivers long-lasting results. Choosing price over quality. It's tempting to go with the cheapest option, but in window replacement, you truly get what you pay for. Low-cost windows often lack proper insulation, fade quickly under Louisiana's strong sun, or fail to withstand heavy rains and humidity. While a bargain may look good up front, you could end up paying more for repairs or replacements sooner than expected. Instead, focus on long-term value, energy savings, durability, and warranties that protect your investment. Ignoring energy efficiency with hot, humid summers and unpredictable storms, Des Allemands homeowners should prioritize energy-efficient windows. A common mistake is overlooking Energy Star ratings or skipping features like low-E glass and double-pane construction. Windows without these upgrades allow heat and moisture inside, driving up your cooling costs. By choosing windows designed for energy efficiency, you'll enjoy lower utility bills and a more comfortable home year-round. Incorrect measurements. A small measurement error can lead to big headaches. If your windows don't fit properly, you'll face air leaks, water intrusion, and potential structural damage. Some homeowners attempt to measure and install windows themselves, only to realize too late that professional precision matters. To avoid costly mistakes, trust experienced window contractors who take exact measurements and ensure a snug, secure fit. Overlooking local climate challenges. Des Allemands faces unique weather conditions, from scorching heat to hurricane season storms. Many homeowners mistakenly choose windows without considering impact resistance or weatherproofing. Standard windows may not stand up to high winds or flying debris, leaving your home vulnerable. For peace of mind, look into storm-rated or impact-resistant windows that provide safety while still offering style. Forgetting about style and home value. Function matters, but design shouldn't be an afterthought. Some homeowners settle for windows that don't complement their home's style, which can hurt curb appeal and resale value. Whether your house is a traditional bayou cottage or a modern build, choose window styles that enhance its architecture. Options like double-hung, casement, or picture windows can combine both beauty and performance when thoughtfully selected. Skipping professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform well if they're installed incorrectly. A common mistake is hiring unlicensed or inexperienced installers to save money. Poor installation can lead to leaks, drafts, and voided warranties. Professional window contractors in Des Allemands understand local building codes and best practices, ensuring your windows are secure, weathertight, and built to last. Neglecting maintenance planning. Many homeowners assume new windows are set and forget. While modern designs require less upkeep than older ones, some level of care is still needed. Failing to clean tracks, inspect seals, or maintain caulking can shorten your window's lifespan. Before installation, ask your contractor about the best ways to maintain your specific window type. Conclusion. Window replacement is a smart upgrade for Des Allemands homes, but only if it's done right. By avoiding these common mistakes, choosing cheap over durable, ignoring energy efficiency, mismeasuring, overlooking local climate needs, neglecting style, skipping professional installation, and forgetting about maintenance, you'll protect your investment and enjoy lasting comfort and value. When in doubt, partner with a trusted local window replacement company that understands the challenges of Louisiana's climate. With the right guidance, you'll not only avoid costly errors but also create a home that's safer, more efficient, and more beautiful for years to come.